Tailor-made gifts, a personal touch in gift-giving. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, tailor-made gift. This phrase is not just about presents, but it's about the thought and customization that goes into them. So, let's dive in and understand what makes a gift tailor-made. Firstly, let's break down the term tailor-made. Traditionally, a tailor is someone who makes clothes to fit an individual perfectly. So, when something is tailor-made, it means it's customized specifically for a person. It's not off the rack or one size fits all. It's made to fit the unique preferences or needs of an individual. Now, let's talk about gifts. A gift is something given willingly to someone without expecting anything in return. It's a way of showing affection, appreciation, or celebrating special occasions. Gifts can range from simple items like a book to extravagant ones like a piece of jewelry. Combining these concepts, a tailor-made gift is a present that has been customized or chosen specifically for the recipient. It shows that the giver has put thought into the gift, considering the recipient's tastes, interests, or needs. For instance, a tailor-made gift could be a custom-made piece of jewelry with the recipient's birthstone or a book by their favorite author. The reason tailor-made gifts are so special is because they convey a deeper level of care and understanding. They tell the recipient that they are valued and known personally. This personal touch often makes these gifts more cherished and memorable. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some examples. 1. A custom-made suit for someone who loves fashion. 2. A personalized photo album for a friend who loves photography. 3. A bespoke piece of art for someone who appreciates creativity. Each of these examples highlights how a tailor-made gift can be both meaningful and unique. So, there you have it. A tailor-made gift is more than just a present. It's a symbol of affection, crafted with the recipient in mind. We hope this video helps you understand and use this beautiful phrase in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best gifts come from the heart.